Hey guys, today I'm going to give a review of Lemfo L5 smartwatch. So let's see what's inside the box. According to a lot of reviews, this is a good smartwatch that you can buy under $100. First, we can see the smartwatch. There are 3 color options available. Then we can see an USB magnetic wireless charger. And finally the user manual. This is an IP68 waterproof watch. It comes with a carbon fiber body and there is a special feature of built-in torchlight. The Lemfo L5 Sport smartwatch comes with a round shape, which is classic and sporty look. It has diamond carbon coating body with a silicon strap and 1.3-inch TFT display to 40x240 screen resolution with touchscreen support. So let's see how the magnetic charger works. You can use it when you wash your hands or getting wet in the rain, and also it is suitable for swimming. This comes with multiple display themes. You can adjust the screen brightness and you can connect and disconnect with the phone anytime. It also equipped with health and sports features like how many steps you walk, sleep monitor, pedometer, sedentary reminder, sleep monitor, drinking water reminder, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor. In addition to those activities, it includes walking, running, cycling, climbing, swimming, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, etc. You can simply connect this with your phone and you can get receive call information, text messages and WhatsApp messages. You can reject unnecessary calls, find my phone feature, set alarms, take photos and what else you want. This is Find My Phone feature. From the next video, I'll show how to configure this to the mobile phone. So if you like these videos, please click subscribe button on the bottom right corner.